So every episode, we like to start the episode with showcasing someone's drink to hopefully expand your horizons and not just comic books and nerd shit, but also what alcoholic beverages we're drinking. So today we have a drink of the night. I shooting it over to Ash. What are you drinking, good sir?
Well, one, my shots are Cazadores. And then two, my beer of the night. I'm going to go ahead and word this. It's the that'll be on the paper. The Deftones Phantom Bride. It's an Indian Pale Ale. It's a Belching Beaver by Belching Beaver. Probably doing this way fucked up. I do want to read the back of it, but there's some words on here that I'm not gonna fucking say right.
It's an IPA from Belching Beaver.
Yeah, I'll do it like that. A truly original Deftones Belching Beaver collaboration, envisioned by Chino Moreno and skillfully crafted by Thomas Peters. Sit back and put your headphones and drink away. Well, that's kind of our thing too. So sit back and put your headphones on and drink away.
Hell yeah! Yeah, no, Belching Beaver's such great beers.
I've dated a lot of Belching Beavers.
Delicious.
I didn't even buy that. I did
delicious.
Not buy that.
If you're ever in
delicious after I said Belching Beaver.
I mean, I really want you to expand on that a little bit more, but I know we don't got enough time for it, so.
That's a queef joke, right?
Let's not. No. Let's just move on.
By the way,